7 AI tools that, together, do the work of a whole team. For one person, here's the role each one plays and where it still needs you. The last hire is the one that ties the whole team together. 1. Claude is your strategist. Think through a plan, pressure test an idea, draft the hard email. The catch? It needs a clear brief. Vague in, vague out. 2. Perplexity is your researcher. It gathers answers with sources so you decide on facts, not guesses. The catch? Deep research is capped per day on free. 3. Ideogram is your designer. Thumbnails, posters, and graphics with the text baked in. The catch? Exact brand layouts still need a human eye. 4. ElevenLabs is your voice. Turn a script into a clean, consistent narration in seconds. The catch? The free tier runs out fast. The paid plan is cheap, but it's real. 5. Descript is your editor. Edit video by editing the transcript. Cut an hour down in minutes. The catch? Auto-transcription slips on names, so proof it. 6. Gamma is your deck maker. Turn an outline into a design presentation in one pass. The catch? Free decks carry a small badge. 7. NotebookLM is your knowledge base. Feed it every doc and it answers only from what your team actually knows. The catch? It won't pull in anything you didn't upload. That's a full team, run by one person. Every tool is linked below. Subscribe for one honest tool a day.